Alright, Cadillac install Evo X. It's nighttime, but we're still doing it because I get it done. It's pretty simple. The Eve right here. The 14s, I want to say. Another 17s. Anyways, it's pretty easy to take off. Polish it. This is just a post of the pre. I'll post some up after to show what's going on.